Hey, I'm going to show you some tricks about how you can create better flowcharts and diagrams using Mural. Let's try to do it in less than 1 minute. So where are we with the new flowcharts, connectors, and shapes enhancement, you may ask. So we already started with these new flowcharts enhancement by releasing the shapes, more shapes and connectors, the suggested menu that when you create a new line from an existing widget, you will prompt with a menu with 9 new elements that you can create it from. Also, the copy last style. This means that if you create an arrow and change the style, you will create a new one and it will have the same style. Also, we release the educational callout that allows to teach our users that if they press C and drag, they will create a new connector instead of drop them from the sidebar. So, how do you keep creating nice charts without thinking too much about the tool so you can spend more time being creative? So, like the flow that I showed you last time, we have here a flow with a subflow on the top, right? So right now, if you select the flow that is on the top and you wanted to have it on the bottom, you will have an arrow covering the first screen of the main flow and the image that I have on the second one, which you may guess is not very nice. So let's see. If I have the same flowchart and I try to keep and do the same thing, I will grab the sub group that I have on top and I will try to move it down. So as you can see, the arrow rearrange is still connected to the first screen on the subflow and not also on straight lines. It also works with curve connector. So I have you see here the purple one and the green one, right? So if I drag the purple one to the bottom, you will see how it will arrange. And the same thing with the green one. If I drag it here, it will rearrange so I can have a better look and feel of the flow. So this is just a small enhancement that it will make a lot of impact in diagram and flowcharts creation. And of course, we keep working to create more elbows in connectors, labels on top of them, auto connecting lines, resize multiple lines, and much more. So if you have any feedback about this or any type of feedback about connectors, please reach me or Nadia or Flor or Cele. So we are going to be